Good morning everyone, it's Vanessa here from Apple Patch Quilting and Craft. Craig and I today are going to unbox the JUKI DX-2000QVP. So this is the first time we've opened the box on this machine, so this is one of our new demo machines. So you will be able to come in and try this machine. So JUKI have a range of machines that are suitable for confident beginner sewists through to experienced sewists. Now Craig has just gotten out the power cord, the foot controller, and what else was there? The accessories. We'll go through those in a moment. Oh, now this has got a very nice cover on this machine. Got a little storage unit at the front. Oh, there we go. How nifty is that? So this machine has got some very interesting features, and I'll actually do some little videos showing those features running. One of the very interesting things is the foot controller can actually be programmed. So you can have the foot controller, besides obviously making the machine go, when you step back on the foot controller, you can have it do some interesting functions. Ooh, what's in the box? What's in the box? The JUKI machines all come with an instructional DVD, instruction manual of course. Oh, that's the thread stand. Oh, wowzers, look at that. So here we have some of the feet that come with the machine. Oh, I'm guessing that one is for doing either cording or beads because it's got a step up underneath it. I'll actually have to read the manual and see exactly what these feet will do. Clear foot. This is a cording foot. Ooh, now that's a nice free motion foot. Which actually I'm suspecting is for doing couching. So it comes, so these are sort of like extra feet. And then we've also got the accessory tray, the accessories with all the standard feet. So I can see a walking foot in there, 1/4 inch foot, a zipper foot, a stitch in the ditch foot, a Teflon foot. So lots of goodies to have a play around with. So we've got a extension table that comes standard with this machine. The bed of the machine, the accessory tray can come off so you can have a free arm on this machine. Then we have the little accessory tray. Oh my gosh, there's even more feet. I can't believe how many feet are coming with this machine. There's your applique foot. That one is an overcast foot. Blind hem foot. Zipper foot, spare bobbins, and your other little bits and pieces. The quick unpick that always comes with all sewing machines because we all need to unpick from time to time, or unsew. So again, I'll do some little videos that show how these machines actually operate. And let's have a look. Now this machine has got a huge number of stitches. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. There we go. Oh wow, look at all those. It's got, oh my gosh, how many buttonholes. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of fonts. So you can go to town with these stitches. Wow. I'm looking forward to actually giving these machines a bit of a run. So we do have automatic thread cutter, needle up, needle down. That I think is the presser foot hover function. Speed control, lock, stitch, reverse, start and stop button for when you're not using the foot controller, automatic needle threader, tension controller, bobbin winding system of course. So this looks like it's going to be a really fun machine. So this is our demo, one of our demo machines. So we will have these set up so you can come in and give them a bit of a whirl. And Craig's just realising he isn't quite sure how to put the extension table on. So he's going to be a good guy and read his manual. Always read your manual. Okay, so it's... So we're going to work out how to put this extension table on because it's early in the morning. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.